Dharitri Youth Conclave 2024 awardee Shri Vichitrananda Biswal. It's not often that we encounter someone whose work and spirit alter the course of millions of lives. Today we are fortunate to introduce a remarkable individual whose pioneering work in wildlife conservation and environmental protection has made a lasting difference. We are felicitating Shri Vichitrananda Biswal, fondly known as Bichi Bhai, whose life has been a testament to dedication, resilience and a relentless commitment to environmental protection. बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा एवं अभिनंदन श्री विचित्रानंद बिस्वाल महोदय को आमर ए मंच रे अनेक अनेक सम्मान आपणकर प्रेरणादायी कार्य आगु मध्य एमती जारी रहो ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद आपण सहित रहो एतिक आम मंच रू प्रार्थना करुछु बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद थैंक यू सो मच सर प्लीज टेक योर सीट I would like to thank Shri Manish Agarwal also for coming to the stage and presenting the award.